Scene.
Oo.
Usap-usapan ng love life. Interesado ang lahat at kinikilig. Ano bang pwede mong ikwento?
Naglapot agad ako. Oh my gosh.
Ano pwede mong i-share sa amin?
Ayun na nga, the post was taken out of context.
Okay.
Christian is a very good friend. I met him last May because we did an opening for a lounge I'm endorsing, which is Candy Beauty Lounge in Vegan. And then, the other day, when I was in Lawag, I was about to go home na. And then, dumaan ako ng Vegan. And then, dapat magkikita kami. But he said, tomorrow na lang. So he invited me over sa place nila, which is sa Solvex sa Narvacan, yung kay Gov Chavit. And then sabi ko, sige, liga mag-content tayo. Part 2 na natin yung pakilig with FG. So ganun lang talaga yun. So naloka naman ako kasi I've been doing it for 2 years na yata, yung pakilig with FG. Pero ngayon lang parang ang OA.
Pero Francine, maraming kinilig kasi.
Oo naman, pero kasi syempre, hindi naman para magpaka-conceited tayo sa sarili natin or i-take natin at saka panindigan natin na mag-jowa talaga. No, it's not. Friends lang talaga kami. It was taken out of context. Actually, nag-text ako sa kanya yesterday. I said, my apologies because taken out of context yung post natin. And then he said, no, it's okay. It's not your fault. Yung mga tao lang kasi, di ba, ang negative ng parang, I don't know.
Sakta ka ba din sa mga bashers?
No, of course not. Of course not. But I've been sensitive kung ano man yung mafe-feel ng isa. Siyempre, hindi naman siya super showbiz. So, nagpaka-sensitive ako. So, sabi ko, shucks, kailangan ko siyang i-take down.
Okay. Pero ano talaga ang status mo ngayon? Single ka ba? You're committed?
I'm happy with myself. I'm in love with myself. And I'm enjoying whatever I have. So, yun siya.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Salamat.